is big data? So big data can be defined in several different ways. I'm going to attempt defining that in a couple of ways. First, way back, or the data, the fascination which human beings have for data has started way from the caveman ages. We have been painting, not we, our ancestors to ancestors have been painting on the cave walls. Yes, this is no big data, but this is some kind of information which we started collecting. Then came the paper, so many manuscripts and written material were then there. Then came the electronics age. We had typewriters, we had PC, and what is happening through this journey, the amount of data being collected is only increasing and increasing. That's all. We are done. This phase is over. Where we are sitting right now is this. This is our phase which we are sitting in terms of mobile revolution and a social media revolution with Facebook and Twitter and all that. What that has done, like we are generating ton amount of data. A single mobile phone with so many apps, so much of information, where you're located, and tons of information is generated every single minute or seconds. People are posting, Facebook has billion plus people, and they are posting continuously information, images, and all that. So that's tons of information which is getting posted. So that's where we are sitting right now. But that's nothing compared to what lies ahead. As happened so far, all this through the journey of the paper and the electronics and everything, we were punching the data, we human beings. However great we are, but we have some limitations. We want to sleep, we want to eat, we get tired. Who doesn't do that is these machines or sensors and devices. They don't sleep, they don't get tired. They get broken very fast, or it can be swapped by another machine. That's where we are moving. That's the next revolution. And what would happen is the amount of data collected by all these devices. And what are these? These are temperature sensors. Let's say you have a Nest on your home, and that's one of the sensors which you have. Or there is a webcam which is recording your images and everything, a security camera which is looking at it. It's collecting tons of information. So all that are examples which are more and more going to come in our life. And if you've heard of the term called Internet of Things, IoT, which is going to change the life of everybody. Right now, only our computers and our PCs, mobiles are connected to internet. But what if everything is connected? What if this bench is connected to the thing? What your jacket is connected and saying, and if you're leaving your house and it says, oh, pick me up. I've checked the weather myself, and it's going to be so-and-so weather. It's going to be pretty cold. Pick me up before leaving. If it starts talking to you, how would that life be? How about your refrigerator in your home is just scanning the ingredients, which they are trying definitely right now to do, and say, oh, you don't have milk. It came up to this level. I'm going to order it right now for you. All that is coming. And when that happens, the amount of data to be generated on that is going to be humongous. And these machines are just going to happen. This is happening. This is not like I'm not creating a dream, creepy world. It is happening. I have Alexa, the Amazon's device at my home, and I'm surprised how much we use it and how much things we ask. It's really fascinating. So those are real things happening. What that will do, it will enable us to do several things. And obviously, you must have heard about the driverless car, which Google is experimenting, the artificial intelligence being talked in several places. Not possible at all without humongous amount of data. To make a driverless car, huge amount of data has to be collected. Where the other cars are, where you're starting from, what's your end location, what is the weather condition around you, all of that has to be checked to make a driverless car. Otherwise, obviously, that's going to be a lot of security hazard. That's what all this big data revolution is going to help us and enable us. So one way of looking at big data is our fascination for data is only going to increase, and more is going to. We're not going back. Gone are the days where we're taking one picture and taking a paper print of it. Forget it. Now people click one button and there are bursts of 20 images, right? Automatically. It's only going to increase. We're not going back. We don't even think about which picture you want to take. Okay, just let's take it and we'll figure that later if it's good or bad or not, right? Previously, if you come from the old background, you will know that now thinking was put, okay, let's wait before we click that button. All that is gone. And it just keeps on continuously clicking, many times automatically itself. So the amount of data is increasing.